After seasons of turmoil, a nation must return to stability, constitutional order, and moral clarity, restoring trust in both government and the people. In 1921, Warren G. Harding stepped into office calling America back to normalcy, unity, and responsible self-government after the upheaval of World War I. Warren G. Harding's inaugural address, March 4, 1921. My fellow citizens, standing here today, I am deeply humbled by the responsibility placed upon me. Our nation has come through a time of great trial. The world has been shaken by war. Lives have been lost. Economies have been strained. And the burdens of conflict have touched nearly every American family. Now, we stand at a turning point. The question before us is not how to wage war, but how to restore peace. Not how to expand power, but how to return to stability. The American people have made their desire clear. They want to return to what I would call normalcy, a restoration of order, of balance, and of confidence in the future. This does not mean going backward. It means moving forward with wisdom, learning from what we have experienced, and rebuilding on a firm foundation. We must restore faith in our institutions. Government must be conducted with honesty, integrity, and respect for the Constitution. The people must know that their leaders serve them, not themselves. At the same time, we must recognize the limits of government. It is not the role of government to control every aspect of life. Its purpose is to protect the rights of the people, maintain order, and create conditions where opportunity can grow. Beyond that, the strength of this nation lies in its citizens, in their initiative, their work ethic, and their commitment to responsibility. We must also turn our attention to the challenges at home. Our economy must be stabilized. Our industries must be supported. And our people must be given the opportunity to work, to provide, and to prosper. But prosperity must be built on sound principles, not excess or speculation. We must be disciplined. We must be responsible. And we must remain grounded in what is right. As we look to the world, we must seek peace. We do not desire conflict, but we also recognize that peace must be secured through strength and through principled leadership. We must engage with other nations wisely, protecting our interests while promoting stability and cooperation. Above all, we must remain united. The divisions of the past must not define our future. We are one nation, bound together by shared values, shared history, and a shared commitment to liberty. And finally, we must not forget where our true strength comes from. Not from government alone, not from wealth or power, but from our faith, our character, and our trust in Almighty God. As I take this oath of office, I do so with humility and with a deep reliance on His guidance. With His help and with the support of the American people, I believe we can restore this nation to a place of strength, stability, and renewed purpose. Thank you, and may God bless the United States of America. Commentary and reflection. 1. A return to normalcy. Warren G. Harding famously calls for stability after global upheaval. A return to constitutional order. Reduced government overreach. 2. Post-war reset. After World War I, Americans wanted peace and recovery focus shifted from global conflict to domestic strength. 3. Limited government and responsibility. Harding emphasizes, government should be restrained, citizens must take responsibility. Galatians 6 verse 5. For every man shall bear his own burden. 4. Faith and national strength. He closes with reliance on God. Psalm 33 verse 12. Blessed is the nation whose God is the Lord. Practical civic lessons. Stability requires a return to constitutional principles. Government must remain limited and accountable. Peace requires both strength and wisdom. National renewal begins with moral character.